frost paints the window, a fleeting touch. Bare branches wave, though they don't say much. The sky's heavy gray, pressing low and near. It feels like a weight, but it pulls me here. And the snow whispers soft, like a secret untold. Each flake a story